Hello everybody, I am Dars. So we know that file IO is a very important and essential topic in Python, and sometimes it becomes very confusing to understand file IO and implement it on our code. So today I am going to explain you what is file IO and how to implement it in our code. So let's dive in. So now I am in Python. So here I have two files. One is hello.txt and another main.py, which is a Python file. So here, now let us execute our code. So we will call a function named open and then write the name of our file, which is txt, which is open, and then comma, and then write the mode. So basically mode is the thing which tells in what way you want to analyze your txt file, like read, write, or we can also create our file in our file explorer. So read is basically we want to know what is in our file. So we will assign a variable to the function. Let us be f. Yes. Now we will give an argument to the function which will be let us say read, which should be read, by the way, because we want to read the file. So read is the argument we must use, and we will assign another variable to it which will be text is equal to read. So now we want to print the content which is in the file. So let us print it by writing the variable we used, which is text. So let us run the file. So here by mistake we have used open, but it is hello. So let us continue. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 is the content available in hello file. So now let us check the file. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 is in our file. So now let us continue to the another function. So again, we will do the same thing. Assign a variable to the function open. Write the name of the file, which is hello, and then comma. And now we will give the mode w, which means write. Write means we want to update the file. Now assign a variable to f.write. Here basic things that many of the programmers do, that they write function or argument instead of read. So here we will assign a string which can be anything like hello, hi, anything, and then simply print the variable which is text, and then we will print it. Okay, after printing it, we can see that the 1, 2, 3, 4 string which we assigned it to earlier is updated into hello, hi, or the string we assume it to be. Now instead of w, if I do it as x means we want to create a file, another file, and let us name it the hello file. Okay. So now we want to create a file which will write hello, hi in it again. So if we run it again, here you can see that hello file is again created. Yes. So there's a string in it, hello, hi. So that I hope you understood all the important concepts of file IO, and I hope you implement in your programs. I hope you do not find anything difficult in handling your files. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye.